Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on all push notifications on your eBay app. We will go to turn on this icon now. How you can do that on your eBay app? All you have to do, just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. You just go down here, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on notifications, then you come to notifications window here, and you just go down here, then you come here to all push notifications. You will click here on this mark, then you click, and like you see this color show for us now. That's mean all push notifications is all on now or active with you. So I wish know you I gave it. That's all. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.